Okay, so the next question is to draw a parallelogram LMNO whose diagonals are given. We are given ln is equal to 6 centimeter and mo is equal to 4 centimeter. We are also given the angle between these two diagonals as 40 degree, as you can see in the rough diagram. So this rough diagram I made and will make exactly a replica of this using compass and ruler. So here we go. Take the diagonal in the middle. So let's understand we have 6 centimeter with the pencil, and of course we draw 6 centimeter ln. We're taking ln as the base. Okay. Are we done with this one? Now remember from the diagram, and also we know the property of parallelogram. The diagonals bisect each other. They don't bisect each other at 90 degree, but they bisect each other. So that means the diagonals are divided into halves. So we have to find the midpoint of this line. So for that we take more than half scenario. Take the more than half of this, and then the more than half of this. Okay. Now using the same idea like we did in the last one. Extend this arc if the arc is not meeting. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Extend this also for a while. Okay. Let's connect. Now remember, this line is only for finding the midpoint of the diagonal, and this line will not be there in our diagram. So you can make a dotted line over here if you want, but since I don't have that option right now, so I'm making it a proper. All good. Now this will give you the midpoint of this line. Now from here we have to make a 40 degree angle. 45 degree, sorry. 45 degree. Okay, the 45, we already know this is 90 degree, correct? So we can make, I am making the 40 degree over this side, okay? Or like we have in the book, no problem. So for 40 degree, we know that it is half of 90. So what you can do is, just take an arc, just make an arc from here, anywhere. I'm making an arc like this. We can make a similar one on the upper side, no problem. Okay. So we understand this is 90. So if I keep it here and I extend this, I'll get the middle point of this angle. Okay. This way. Same way we extend this. If something fishy, you can just extend it and make it a bigger arc so that you can see the point of intersection. That's it. Now we generally take a scale and a pencil and connect this center part with this one. Now this is our OM ka line. So, okay, so we can actually extend this over here to here also. Now remember, in order to make a line, you need only 2 points. What you have to do is you have to keep the scale properly and extend this line to the upper side. Now we do the same thing. We know that MO is 4. MO is 4, so, and half of 4 is 2. So you can directly take 2 on what do you call it, the scale on the compass using the ruler. So we have 2 here. Okay, measured. Now from the center, you make it 2 on the diagonal line. Finally, connect all the points using scale. So this is LO. Okay, easy. This line is LM. Okay, this line is OM, and of course this line is M. Now according to the condition, we got two diagonals which are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively, and the angle between two diagonals is 45 degree. I'm very sorry, it was 45 degree. So we got LMNO. Let's say you can make a point over here as P. This is 6 cm and this is 4 cm.